Welcome to Gear Up With Gregg by Gregg Distributors, a 100% Canadian owned and operated company. I'm Chelsea, and today we're going to be going over the Akro-Mils product line of storage bins and carts. Now for a bit of a backstory. Akro-Mils was founded by Meyer and Louis Myers in 1933. They started out as a tire supply store, which was the origin of Myers Industries, Inc. Myers Industries founded Akro-Mils Plastics and Rubber Products in 1946, and in 1972, they introduced the Akro Bin storage and organization containers. The Akro Bin helps to control inventory, shortens assembly times, and it minimizes parts handling. These are heavy-duty bins that securely stack on top of each other. They sit on shelving or hang from Akro-Mils racks, panels, rails, or carts. These bins are unaffected by weak acids and bases, and they are made from a one-piece construction, which makes them water, rust, and corrosion-proof. They are also guaranteed not to crack under normal load conditions. Actually, in our warehouses, we use Akro-Mils bins. You could stop by for a tour sometime if you'd like. You'll find them hanging on our louvered panels, on our packing benches, and storing numerous products throughout our multiple warehouses. This type of product helps us here at Gregg's to stay organized, maintain a clean and efficient work environment, and it minimizes the amount of space needed to store product, as we can fit more than one SKU in a bin. Now, our warehouses are huge and are made to accommodate this kind of inventory. But if space is a concern, Akro-Mils offers a louvered hanging system, which will allow you to hang bins from a stamped 16-gauge steel panel, allowing for 160-pound capacity. They also offer a steel rail hanging system, which is wall-mountable with 110-pound capacity. The shelf bins themselves work with 12, 18, and 24-inch deep shelving. And if you're like us here at Gregg's and you want to maximize your space, you can keep your product in separate bins by using dividers or bin cups, which help to eliminate confusion and make part retrieval that much easier. If you're in the market for larger totes, here at Gregg's we also carry the Akro-Mils line of nest and stack totes, which are for storing larger items. They easily stack on top of each other, and when they're not in use, you simply turn them 180 degrees, and you can place them inside one another, saving you storage space. The other type of tote we carry is the attached lid container, which is simply a large container with an interlocking lid that features reinforced hinges and a padlock eye for keeping your product safe. Both of these large-scale storage options come in multiple sizes, so you'll be sure to find one suited to your needs. Akro-Mils also carries a line of storage cabinets that feature a heavy-duty steel frame and a powder coat finish. They have drawers with molded-in label holders and a transparent window to allow instant content identification. The drawers are rust, corrosion, and dent-proof, and this cabinet comes in a variety of different sizes. If mobility is a concern, Akro-Mils has that covered too, with the RotoShelf mobile storage unit. This unit can be easily moved to different work areas, and it takes up very little floor space. It features 4 shelves that rotate on an independent central metal shaft that can hold up to 300 pounds or 75 pounds per shelf worth of weight. The final 2 products I'm going to highlight today are the Pro Cart and the VersaDeck. This Pro Cart should be a staple in your business. This cart can easily and efficiently transform from a box top to a flat top cart in seconds to better accommodate how you're using it. For instance, if you have a box that is too large to fit inside the perimeter of the cart, unhinge the sides and turn the cart into a flat top. Alternatively, if you're transporting product that rolls around during transportation, lift the sides back up to keep your products confined and safe. The cart also features deep molded compartments that keep small items secure but in reach, ensuring your efficiency. The lower level of the cart has I-beam posts, which allow you to maneuver larger items in and out of the section with ease. And the wheels at the bottom feature a toe touch locking system, so you never have to worry about a runaway cart ever again. The VersaDeck is a versatile structural foam cart that is sturdy and easy to clean, as the deck resists most chemicals and damage. All decks are steel reinforced and can withstand a load of 2,000 pounds. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for joining me. And if you have any further questions or would like to find out more about Gregg Distributors selection, please go to our website at greggdistributors.ca or give us a call and one of our friendly order desk staff will be happy to assist you. Thanks again for supporting a 100% Canadian company, and we look forward to seeing you next time on Gear Up with Greggs.